Good morning, grade 8s. So we have just finished Unit 3, where we looked at the different factors of production, and I really hope that after the time that we spend on this unit, you know what factors of production entail and that you are well aware of how it fits into the business environment. Now today we're moving on to Unit 4, where we're going to look at different markets in the economy. And also in the business environment. Now, usually I would present a lesson, I would record it, give you some mind maps to do, PowerPoint presentation, but I thought let's change the scenery for a while, and we're going to have a different approach to learn the work and to get to know the work of Unit 4. So what I want you to do for Unit 4 is to present a lesson to us, to your friends in the class, and to me as the teacher. So how are we going to do it? First of all, you need to go through the work on page 87 to page 93 in your textbook so that you know what it's all about. Then I want you to choose a section or a part of the work that stood out for you, that you liked. Maybe you are quite interested in a certain part of that work. You'd like to find out more, maybe research or investigate. And on that part or topic or section, I want you to prepare a short lesson for us. Now, grade 8, you can do it in any format. I'm very well aware that not all of us have the same resources and access to the same materials. So I do not want it to be a burden for you. I want it for everybody to experience it as a nice exercise and a fruitful exercise. So you can really choose any format you like to present this lesson to us, to your friends. It can really be something as simple as drawing a short lesson up, a lesson plan perhaps, on a piece of paper and submit that. If you have access to a laptop or a computer or a tablet, phone, some of you are really good in that technical department, you can do a PowerPoint presentation or type something up in Word, make mind maps on that specific topic that you like. You can even draw up a worksheet for us, compile a worksheet. Please remember to also give us the answers. Now, if you ask us some questions, you must give the memo as well. But that would be great. And then some of you might even want to record a little video. I know some people like to perform, and now here is your chance. People, please keep it short. A maximum 5 minutes. I would think between 3 and 5 is more than enough time. Remember, it's not on the whole chapter, just a specific section or topic that you choose from the work in that unit. Guys, you can even perhaps, if you know how to do it, and then I will also learn, you must just tell me afterwards how you did it, to get a couple of friends together and remotely record a lesson on your cell phones perhaps. I know some of you are really good in that department. Okay, I will give you some more information as to how and where to submit your short lessons, and then you have time until Friday to do that. Friday afternoon is still fine. Then what I want to do over the weekend is to go through your lessons, and I'm already very excited about it, because I can just imagine what super lesson presentations I will find that you have submitted to us. So then I would like to go through those lessons and presentations and choose a couple that would cover the work on markets in Unit 4, and then I'd like to put it together for us and then air some of your presentations next week on Google Classroom. Maybe I can manage to put some of your videos together and we can have a nice video on all the different sections of the work. I'm fairly sure that between all of you we will actually cover the whole unit. So yes, that's what my plan is with this. Let's have a little bit of fun. Let you explore the work for us and come up with some nice ways in teaching and letting the rest of your class learn with you through your lesson presentation. If you have any questions, you're welcome to pop me a question there on Google Classroom, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. And yes, I hope that this is a little bit different from the normal class that we normally do, and that you would like and explore different ways of learning and teaching. Right, have fun, grade 8.